Hi everyone, welcome to my first YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Nat 5 Chemistry Atomic Theory. It's part of Unit 1. So we'll start off with the atom. What is an atom? And then we'll look at a couple of other terms that includes compounds as well as elements. So atoms, because we started with atoms, I will describe what it actually means. So we would see that an element is made of very tiny particles called atoms. So elements are made up of very tiny particles called atoms. And when these atoms combine, they basically give rise to various compounds. So atoms come together to make compounds. In Nat 5, in one of these topics, you'll be getting taught about something called neutrons, electrons and protons. So all these atoms, they are made up of smaller subatomic particles. So these are the subatomic particles. Basically, these atoms are made up of these smaller subatomic particles. So maybe I can just draw an arrow here just to kind of make it a little bit more clearer in terms of what I'm talking about here. So we've got atoms, they're made up of neutrons, protons and electrons, and they basically play a really important role when we look at the charge that is carried by different atoms. So I'm going to draw up a really simple table for you guys just to kind of make it clearer what we're talking about here. So if it helps, you could draw a similar sort of table to help you identify these subatomic particles. So it's important that we look at the relative mass of it as well, and then what charge is carried by these particles, and then the location, where exactly are we going to find these particles.